I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to blur the background in Affinity Studio. I'll walk through a couple of different methods to do that. First, let's walk through how to use the Portrait Blur tool. Step 1. Open the image you want to blur the background for in Affinity Studio. Step 2. Click Edit to open a menu, and then click Settings. The associated menu opens. Step 3. Click to select Machine Learning in this menu, and then click to toggle on Depth Estimation. You'll see a progress bar while that model is being downloaded. After the model is installed, close the settings window. Step 4. Make sure Canva AI is selected in the options at the top of this screen. Step 5. Click the Portrait Blur tool icon on the left side of the screen. The Portrait Blur window opens over your image. You can adjust the radius, focal distance, and blur smoothness sliders until you get the desired effect on your image. Whenever you get a blur effect that you want to keep, all you need to do is click Apply to save your changes. Next, let's walk through the steps to apply a depth of field blur. Step 1. Click to select the image you want to apply a blur to. Step 2. Click Pixel to open a menu. Click to expand Filters and then Blur, and then click Depth of Field. You'll see a Depth of Field window open over your image and two circles with selectors on them. Step 3. Position the center circle over what you want to be the focal point of your image. Position the second larger circle over the expanded area around the focal point. Step 4. Adjust the radius, vibrance, and clarity until you get the exact effect that you're looking for, and then click Apply. Your changes will be applied to your image immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.